peace, mercy,
Peace
and
be
blessings
upon
of
our
God be
Prophet
upon you,
Muhammad, his family, and his companions. Today, God willing, I will explain how to withdraw funds from my PayPal account to my bank account. It is well known that normally your bank account is linked to your PayPal account. For me, I have a balance in my PayPal account, and I will try to withdraw it and transfer it to the regular bank account. How will it be done?
The method is like the one used by the British
The
family.
method is the same whether on a laptop or on a phone. Now, let's start from the opening percentage. My account on PayPal through the browser. You will notice on this main page of the account PayPal, at the top center of the screen, there is an option called your budget or PayPal balance. Balance or budget, we will click on it. We click on it. It will take me directly to this page where I will give you the data related to your bank account. I will see here at the top the rates. This is the balance you have, and below I will show you that you can choose to transfer money. I will perform a transfer money. It will appear as follows. You can transfer the money to your bank account. We will click on the first option. We will choose the first option, which is transfer funds from your bank account from your PayPal account to your bank account. I will choose this option. Here, it tells you on the screen how we will ask you to choose the amount by clicking on the pencil icon. For example, for me, it will transfer only €5. I chose €5. You can also choose the currency. Now, after choosing the amount, I will scroll down below to tell you that I want the money to arrive immediately. Instantly, meaning right away or after about 2 days. For me, I want to choose, and I tell you the fee is 0. For me, you can choose this option or that. For me, I want to choose that the money arrives immediately. Now, I will scroll down below, and I tell you the money will be transferred directly to your bank account linked to the country. The last thing, click on the word transfer for the amount. Click on the word transfer from Europe. Now, transfer now. Click on it like this. It tells you the following. Within minutes, the money will be reflected in your bank account. It is telling you that this process will only take a few minutes. Now, after transferring the money, the word done will appear. As you can see, the balance is now €5 after it was €10. The main feature is restored. As you see, this is the main page, and it has been updated for me. And I heard from you that you tried your account based on €5. The balance was €10 before, now it is €5. This is how my shortcut works for transferring money from my PayPal account. My bank account. That's all for the video, God willing. See you in the next video. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God.